to our channel Desire and Passion.
Hi, today we are going to discuss about living beings and non-living beings. First we shall discuss about the characteristics of living beings. So children, shall we see? So children, tell me what are the characteristics of living beings?
Feeding, breathing, throwing out of waste, growing, moving, responding, reproducing.
Reproducing means?
Producing young ones.
So children, let us discuss all these characteristics in detail. First we shall discuss about feeding. All living beings need food. Only plants make their own food. All other animals depends on plants for food. So children, do you know how plants make food? For making food, they use
Carbon dioxide and water.
water absorbed from
Soil by the roots.
carbon dioxide comes from
Air.
how this air enter inside the plant? It enters through
The pores on the leaf.
pores means the small hole on the leaves. We can't see these pores with our naked eyes. All animals depends on plants for food. So children, do you know which animals are plant eaters?
God, cow, deer.
Yes, right. Do you know which animals are animal eaters?
Lion, tiger, goose.
Animal eaters are those animals eat other animals. They also depend on plants for food. How you know? They are eating those animals who depends on plants for food. So indirectly they are also depending on plants for food. Here you can see a picture of a plant.
This plant is making food using carbon dioxide and water using sunlight.
Next we shall discuss about breathing. All living beings breathe. They use
Oxygen to make energy.
oxygen and food combines to produce.
Energy.
They also produce.
Carbon dioxide and water vapor.
When oxygen and food combines together, they not only producing energy but also carbon dioxide and water vapor. This carbon dioxide and water vapor are waste of our body. So it is thrown out from the body. Different animals use different parts of their body to breathe. Human beings use
Nose.
dogs, cats, cow, tigers, lions use.
Nose.
Birds use
Nostrils on or above their beaks.
frogs and earthworms,
Skin.
insects,
Holes on their sides.
fish.
Gills. They take in oxygen from water.
Children. Next we will discuss about throwing out of waste. While making use of food, the body of a living being produces waste. We get rid of waste from our body in the form of
Urine, sweat, and stool.
plants get rid of gases through
The pores or holes on their leaves.
some plant waste are,
Poisonous.
some others are.
Very useful.
Let us take the example of tea plant. The waste of the tea plant gives tea its flavor. Likewise, the seeds of coffee plant is its waste, which gives coffee its taste. Children, do you know about responding? Let us discuss about responding. All living beings feel things.
They also respond to the things around them or show what they feel. Example, a dog wags its tail when it is happy. Birds fluff up their feathers when they are cold. birds and butterflies rest when it is dark.
Like animals, plants also respond.
They respond to heat, light, moisture, etc.
Here you can see a picture of plant responding to sunlight and water. Morning glory opens in the morning light and close in the evening.
Leaves of sensitive plant close when you touch them.
Children, next we are going to discuss about movements. Animals move from.
One place to another place.
Plants cannot move, but parts of plants move. For example, roots and branches of trees and plants.
Most plants' movements are slow. Example, the opening and closing of leaves and flowers. Movement. Animals move in search of food, comfort, and other things. They also move different parts of their body.
Next, reproduction. All living beings reproduce. Some animals lay eggs. Example, birds.
Some others give birth to babies. They feed on their mother's milk. Animals feeding their mother's milk are called mammals.
Plants grow out of seeds, stems, roots, or leaves. Here you can see a cute picture of a mammal. Living beings produce young ones of their own.
Animals give birth to babies.
Children, all of you know about growing. We all are growing day by day. All living beings grow.
A baby grows into a man or girl. A chick grows into a bird. A seedling grows into a plant. Plants grow from seeds, stems, and roots. Some grow out of leaves.
Now we have discussed all the features of living beings. Do you know what is a non-living being? Non-living beings are desk, bench, table, chair, books, etc. Let us see the difference between living and non-living things. Living things, they need food.
Non-living beings don't need food.
Living beings breathe.
Non-living beings don't breathe.
Living beings throw out waste.
Non-living beings don't throw out waste.
Living beings respond.
Non-living beings don't respond.
Living beings move.
Non-living beings move, but we make them move.
Living beings reproduce.
Non-living beings don't reproduce.
Living beings grow.
Non-living beings don't grow.
Children, hope you understood about living and non-living beings well.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Please press bell icon for new updates.